Hi, and welcome to this brief introduction on how to utilize ChatGPT and AI technology in creating and automating and streamlining and expediting your creation of your YouTube scripts. Now, if you haven't done so already, by all means, feel free to visit this website on the top, chat.openai.com. And once you get on this landing page, you'll see the opportunity to actually physically sign up for a free account if you haven't done so already. Now, if you already have one of these accounts, by all means, feel free to log in and let's move forward into leveraging AI technology to expedite the production of your YouTube scripts. Okay, so here we are physically logged into the latest and the greatest of ChatGPT 3.5 version. And if you haven't done so already, as I mentioned before, log in and you will gain access to this landing page right over here. Now, this is actually the free version. To utilize this application to expedite YouTube video scripts, you do not need a paid version. Now, if you do by chance like this technology and you want to expand further into additional functionality that they offer, by all means, right down here, you're going to see an upgrade button, and you can actually upgrade to a paid plan. Now, with that being said, it's a pretty simple process. What you want to do is you want to literally down here, way at the bottom, it does make it a little bit hidden, but you want to go ahead and actually physically type in and tell this AI technology what is the type of script that you would like it to create. Now, I want to emphasize this with a humongous exclamation point. The intent of this technology is to utilize it to give you an outline of a script that you can use for your YouTube videos. It is not so that you can literally copy paste and use the exact script that this technology gives you word for word. Now, I want to emphasize that because bear in mind, in the YouTube world, we do have to abide by certain policies and procedures, and their technology, the algorithms, do have the ability to actually flag your YouTube videos if it finds another video that is similar. Why do I say that? Because what you don't want is to forget that there are tons of people going to utilize ChatGPT to create scripts for their YouTube videos. And you don't want a duplicate individual's videos out there and you thinking that your video is perfectly okay and you spent all the time and money into creating it, only to find out that because you did not tweak that script, you are now flagged as a copyright flag in the YouTube world. You definitely do not want that. It's not going to help the video. It's not going to help you in maximizing this technology, and more importantly, it actually may get your channel flagged or removed. So again, exclamation point, get the foundation of the script that you're going to generate out of ChatGPT, tweak it such that it is at least slightly different, if not a lot different than what ChatGPT gave you. It's not going to take you long to tweak, and then use that script for your actual YouTube videos. Okay, so now with all that taken and into consideration, by all means, once you know what idea it is that you want to create, or at least tell ChatGPT to create for your YouTube video, all you have to do is come down here to this little message box and literally tell it, by the way, create it. So we're going to do that in the most simplest way, and we're going to say create a 1200 word count script on how to bake a cake. And that's basically as simple as it gets. All you have to do is literally click this little button right here. And there it is. Technology into place. Literally, ChatGPT is physically creating a script for you to use in YouTube's world. Now, bear in mind, this is AI technology, so it's not going to actually physically count every single word it generates. And I want to emphasize that again. Yes, we did in fact tell ChatGPT to create a 1200 word count script, but in the AI world of ChatGPT, it's not sophisticated enough to actually know the exact counts of words that it's generating for you. Now, so how do you then, the question is, how do you get a 1200 word count script and actually force ChatGPT to create those number of words for you? The easiest way for you to do that is once it creates the foundation of your script, and you can go ahead and do that by copying and pasting this script right now. And if you're interested to see how many words are in this physical script, all you have to do is go to another website called wordcounter.net. Let's see how many words are total in here. ChatGPT gave us a script that's 686 words. Now, obviously, we told it to generate a 1,200 word script. So let's go back to ChatGPT. Now, this is the foundation. Now, if you noticed here, it literally gave you an easy, in a matter of a couple seconds, a 600 word script. What you want to do is per section here, is you want to basically tell ChatGPT to continue and to expand on each individual section. So step number 1 is preheat and prepare. So all you have to do is literally type continue and type the section. This tells ChatGPT to expand on this particular section up here, to continue essentially writing more. So go ahead and do that. Scroll all the way down here, and if you notice, ChatGPT is now expanding on step number 1, preheat and prepare. So this is additional information that it threw in there on top of the original paragraph. So let's copy and paste this, and let's see how many more additional words it added for us. This was step number 1, prepare, preheat and prepare. All you have to do now is go up, and if you notice here, it literally expanded section number 1 or step number 1 and added so that we got even close to 900 words. Now, going back to this, what you want to do again is tell ChatGPT to expand on section number 2 or step number 2 by doing continue, step number 2, and clicking this little arrow, scrolling all the way down. And if you notice, of course it's writing some more, but what you want to do is go and actually copy and paste section number 2, the additional information. If you notice, it's right here, add it, and now you're at 1,000, almost 1,100 words. So that is basically it. That is leveraging AI technology to create YouTube video scripts. I hope that this little quick tutorial gave you everything that you need. And more importantly, I hope that you do in fact consider creating a free account if you haven't done so already. If you are physically paying someone to actually generate scripts for your actual YouTube videos, this is a tremendous opportunity for you to actually expedite the process and save yourself a lot of money in paying someone else to do it for you. I look forward to seeing you into the next section.